Hey YouTube, I just wanted to do a quick video. I actually built me a rat rack that holds 20 tubs. I only have 5 in there right now, but it will hold 20 tubs full. I'm sorry I don't know the dimensions. I looked at a picture online and me and a buddy of mine just kind of went off of the top of our head. It took us about 8 or 9 hours to build and a lot of backtracking and recutting. So unfortunately I don't have the dimensions. The guy didn't leave them on his page either. So it was really just trial and error, but it's pretty cool. It'll hold 20 tubs, so that's all I will ever need. I only have 5 in there right now because that's really what I need right now for my snakes. It's on wheels, and I have some untreated wood here that I'm going to cut up into small pieces and throw in the tub so the rats can chew on them. And since I have it, or have you here, these are some of my rats that will be weaned this coming week. This litter, or these 2 litters, I had a bunch of hairless, probably 4 or 5 hairless. This is my first time breeding rats, so I don't know if that's normal. But I had some pretty interesting hairless. There's a couple. That one's really ugly. It's almost so ugly it's cute. But you can see there's a hairless. That's mommy. This guy's pretty cool. Pretty neat colors. This guy looks like a kangaroo. So this is them, and like I said, they will be weaned probably this week. They're about 4 weeks old now. So let me put their little hide back in here. But yeah, I got about probably, I don't know, 18, 20 in here, and I'm gonna feed a couple off tonight. Here's another bunch that I have. Oh, that guy's really cool. So as you can see, there's some newborns, some pinkies, and some couple weeks old. 2 moms in here. There's a pinky right there. You back over here. But yeah, that guy's actually really cool. So they're coming up as well. And then down here, this is my male, the black and white one, and then 2 females. And then this tub's empty at the bottom, and this tub at the top is empty. So yeah, this is it. Pretty cool. It's big, but like I said, it's all I will ever need for what I have, and it definitely gives me room to grow. So if you have any questions or comments, please let me know. But that's them. Still eating the Missouri rodent block. Still on bedding. So yeah, it's working out pretty good. The temperatures in Georgia have been probably in the mid 75s or the mid 70s to low 80s. So no fans so far, but I will put a fan up soon when it starts getting hot. But yeah, they're thriving and going, so I'll keep you guys updated. I hope all's going well. If you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thanks, bye.